Yeah.
Let's get up close and personal. Well, hi there. So, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I am here now, so don't fight me. So, first things first, you want to make sure you start on moisturize hair because dry hair, who? Sorry, we don't know her over here. So, my client came in and her hair is moisturized, washed and moisturized, and I did spray some water along as I twisted. So I'm going to start the twist with the three strand method, and I make sure each part is equally divided to avoid the situation where you have to borrow hair at the end, because that is just going to cause unnecessary tangles when it is time for takedown. So I do the three strand method, and then I start twisting. I twine and I twist. Ooh, can we take a moment to appreciate my nails? Because look at that. Can your hairdresser ever? Purr. So I twine and I twist. I twine, I twist as I go. This is just to make sure that the twist come out looking neat, as you can see. Because girl, just look at that. I mean, can you see the material? Yep, I totally ate and I left no crumbs. So I used shea butter on the ends just to make sure that they are very coated and moisturized. So I sprinkle some water as I go. I mentioned that before because we don't know dry hair over here. So yeah, I am going to work that into her hair. I mean, thoroughly work that into her hair. Make sure each strand is coated with water. I hydrate with water, I moisturize with a leave-in conditioner, and then I seal all of that goodness with shea butter. I rub it very well in the palm of my hand to make sure it melts there so it can easily be absorbed into the hair strands. So I work that into the hair thoroughly. Girl, you do not want to rush this process. I mean, can you look at that? My work speaks for itself. So yeah, there's that. So you see how the hair just slides apart. That is exactly what we want, because we don't know dry hair over here. Dry hair who? Dry hair what? Sorry, we don't know her over here. So I am going to comb through the hair, and it just glides through like butter. Can you see the material? It's giving everything it is supposed to give. So if you do not catch it the first time, don't worry, I got you. I am going to repeat that a couple of times for people who are slow learners. So I divided the section into three, and I braided it down before twisting. And you want to make sure I repeat. In fact, I cannot overemphasize on this point. You want to make sure you divide them as equally as possible so that you avoid a situation where you have to borrow hair, because it is going to cause tangling when it is time to take down. So I twist tightly for the first three times, then I loosen my hand a little just to make sure the twist comes out fluffy but still neat. I mean, fluffy but still neat. I mean, you might want to write that down. So yeah, when I get to the end, I twirl it around my fingers with shea butter to make sure it is coated and avoid breakage. Yeah, I take care of my clients like that. And girl, can we take a moment to actually appreciate the neatness? I mean, can you see the material? Can you see the material? I mean, this hair eats like it eats, and my client absolutely loved it. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. Can you see how thick her hair is? This is one of like the thickest hair I have ever worked on. And her twist when working on a client with thick hair, when doing twists on a client with thick hair, it is so beautiful because the hair is full. You don't need any extensions and all that good stuff. Guys, I usually don't rush through my work because I take my time to make sure I deliver, you know. I'm not a midwife, but I'm definitely going to deliver. So if you've watched up to this point, thank you very much, and comment mini twist in the comment section. And if you are new, please drop a comment in the comment section so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Yep, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and also subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and join the family. I mean, don't be a stranger now, come on. And if you have any hairstyle you would like me to create or recreate, also hit me up on Instagram. I'm going to leave links in my description box. Please just check that out, and yeah, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of this idea. Do you like, do you love? I mean, it's just all for formality, because look at that. I totally ate, and I know I did. So, uh-huh. I am just going to braid braid first. Make sure it is secure 2 to 3 times. Then you twist tightly for the first 2 to 3 times. You twist tightly to make sure it is secure. Then you loosely twist. If you twist too tight, it is going to be stringy and not fluffy at all. I mean, that could also be a look, but that's not what we're going for. If you want your twist to be fluffy, you want to make sure you twist lightly, and always swirl the ends to avoid stories that touch. To avoid stories that touch. Look at that, guys. When I tell you my hands are blessed, I don't play. Don't play. I mean, look at that. Don't play. Oh, I'm like my biggest fan and my biggest critic. I admire my work, and I critique my when I feel like I did not deliver. But look at that. I totally ate. So I went in with mousse to do that finishing touches, sprinkle here and there. And there we have it, guys. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? I mean, I totally ate, but let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. If you've watched up to this point, I truly appreciate you. And until we meet again, bye. Take care.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type